All right, back out in here in the garage, working on my R1100RT, and don't know if any of you guys are having this problem about getting oil that leaks up here on the top of your cylinder head. I was getting that, and I was even having a little bit blow back here on the side, and even got some on my boots and pant leg. So I'm going to show you what you can do to fix this problem with the seal kit from Beamer Boneyard. Real easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, what I'm doing is going to replace this little O-ring and stuff here. You can see that it has oil blow by and leakage on it. This is on the R1100RT. So I'm going to pull this out. I think you can just get a hold of it with something and try to get it out of there, but let me take a better look at it here. All right, so what I have here, I have this little O-ring filler cap neck kit from Beamer Boneyard. It's the new replacement piece that goes in with the new cap that has a seal on it. Mine, like I said, was spraying a lot of oil out of it. Just as you ride and stuff. Oops, sorry about that. So what I did was I just put my screwdriver right under the edge of the lip here and pried up and got the old one right out. It has the little, as you can see, it has the little triangular locating pin right here that just sits right in the edge there. So I just popped it out. I'm gonna rub a little oil around it, rub some of this stuff off so it doesn't fall down in the motor, and we're gonna just pop down the other one on it. All right, so just rubbed a little bit of motor oil on this seal. So we're just gonna, kind of hard doing it one-handed here. Gonna kind of line up that little pin. And then we're just gonna try to see if we can just pop it back in here. Get it most of the way in. There we go. All right. So it looks like we got it set back in there, so it should be good. And that was pretty easy. Like I said, you can just see all the oil that's kind of come out of through the filler cap there. And it's probably just the seal on the cap itself. But I just wanted to go ahead and do this, eliminate it. Unfortunately, when you order from Beamer Boneyard, I love Beamer Boneyard. You order from them, you get it very quick, at least here on the East Coast. But the only problem is they have a $25 minimum on your order. So I usually try to order from them if I need something else. This little replacement cap here, I think was like $8 or $12, something like that. So not very expensive, but I just wanted to go ahead and do it all at once. And I have a R1150 GS, and I noticed when I changed the oil the last time on it, the seal around the filler cap was a little hard. So I went ahead and just ordered just the seal for that one. It's not leaking like this one is. So hopefully that seal will be enough. I mean, the GS wasn't leaking either, but I just went ahead and ordered that seal and with some crush washers and another tool that I needed to get to that $25 minimum order. But you know, hopefully this will do the trick. And like I said, here's the part number, ENA 409 I actually tore it. I think it's 40910 is what the part number was. It's the little O-ring, and you know, it's for the, like you can see there on the screen, R850, R1100, R1150, and R1200C. So it fits a few different bikes, but hopefully that'll help you guys out, and very easy little job to do. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.